to make fenugreek and yogurt mask for hair. Soak a handful of fenugreek seeds in 1 cup of yogurt overnight. In the morning, grind the seeds and yogurt into a consistent paste. Now, apply the paste to your scalp and hair. Next, leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. For best results, repeat this process twice a week. Fenugreek seeds are rich in folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin K and vitamin C, and are a storehouse of minerals such as potassium, calcium and iron. Fenugreek seeds also have high protein and nicotinic acid content, which are known to be beneficial against hair fall and dandruff, and in treating a variety of scalp issues like dryness of hair, baldness and hair thinning. It contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots or hair follicles. The seeds also help in moisturizing the hair and bringing back the luster and bounce. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.